Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at QuantumScape, ticker symbols QS. They are a battery manufacturer for electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are sweeping the nation, as well as the UK evidently. Since they're having major gas issues over there in the UK, evidently 1600% increase in EV searches. People looking to get into the EV market and buy an EV car potentially, just because fuel prices over there are skyrocketing. It might happen here too. We'll have to see. If prices go up over $5 or $6 a gallon for gas, people are going to start flooding into the EV market like crazy. Along with the infrastructure bill, if we get additional incentives to buy cars and tax credits to get into the EV market, as well as the infrastructure of the charging network gets upgraded here in the US, people are going to be really looking hard at their selection of gas or electric vehicles into the future. At least those people who can do that and make the transition. So, QuantumScape is well positioned to supply batteries for a lot of these manufacturers who are needing them. So, over this next week, I'm not sure where the stock's going to go. It's kind of a mixed bag. You can see there's a green indicator here. It's really near the moving average, so I'm not sure what's going to happen there. Waning interest here in the MACD. You can see it was at a peak and then it's coming back down. There's quite a spike in volume right here, which probably accounts for this little bump in price. Not a lot, but a little. And but the stochastic is pointing down. It just busted below that 80%. So it's really hard to say where this stock's going to go in the next week or two. But long term, this thing is a buy. I think this is at least a $20 stock right now. Maybe a $25 stock. I know the moving average is higher than that. Based on the current production and capacity of this company to produce batteries, I don't think it's much higher than that, but it's got a huge potential for the future. I think it could go back to the previous highs of 132 in the next couple of years. Maybe sooner, depending on what happens with this whole EV market. If it explodes and people, that's all they buy, it's going to go higher fast. If it's a gradual increase like we've seen over the past 5 years, it's not going to go up as fast. But I know there's a lot of EV manufacturers out there coming out with new cars, and they're going to be hitting in the market in the next year or two. So this could explode rapidly when it does. They need to announce some new contracts and see how things go. But long term, I'm bullish on this stock. I think it could go back to its previous highs and exceed it in the next 5 years, as long as they play their cards right. All right, tell me what you guys think of this company, as well as the EV market. That's it's becoming hotter. All right, guys, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.